Hi everyone, and welcome to Christina Welch Art. So on my last video was my tutorial Thursdays, and these are the paints that we mixed. This is the Pebeo blue green. This is a heavy body artist loft. This is Deco Art 24K. This is our Parage Posse purple raspberry. Artist Loft Naples yellow. Folk Art Peridot, and this is Deco Art Fluid Media Interference Blue. So we mixed all these on the tutorial so I could show everyone how to mix different types of paints. If you missed that tutorial live, it's the last video on my channel and you can give that a look if you want. But I am going to add some silicone to these colors. And I'm just going to do 2 drops in each one because I like cells, and for what I'm doing with it, I want cells. So I'll give those a real quick mix. I did not go over the whole process of adding silicones to paints during the tutorial. It was just a paint mixing video, and everything went great. We did our drip test. Everything was flowing about the same. And I told them that I will do a video with the paints so they can see what they do. So I'm going to get myself some cups. We're going to do a dirty pour. And I think 3 cups will be plenty. But we're going to layer these paints so that they give us the best effects that we can get with them. I have no puppy dog out here today, so it'll be nice and quiet. And I can film. But I'm using my webcam microphone. I'm sorry if there's any weird noises. It just does that. And I have to have my tech person come and hook up my Yeti. It's not working right with my new laptop. So I'm going to go ahead and start with the Parage Posse Purple Raspberry. And next to that, I'm going to do the interference color from Deco Art. This is a fluid acrylic, so we did add some gloss gel to make it thick. And on top of that, I'll do some black. Then we're going to go with the blue-green from Pebeo. I'll do some gold. Some Peridot. From Folk Art. It's a beautiful metallic. And some Naples yellow from Artist Loft. I'm going to try to get just a little bit more in here. The interference. And then I'll put the raspberry on top of that one. And some black. Some gold. And I'm going to finish with the blue-green. And I'm going to put some Naples yellow on top of that. No, I didn't use the same layering on the second layer. It gives us a little different look when we pour out onto the canvas. So let me slide these over. We'll get our canvas ready. Okay, so I'm going to give them just a little swirl. I like to just do an S. we're just going to pour it out. I like to do loop-de-loops. It kind of gives you a little three-dimension in areas. And on this one, we'll start on this side. Come down. I'm trying to concentrate my paint towards the center so we'll be able to tilt. Now I don't want to torch yet. I'm going to torch after I'm done tilting. So if you watch the tutorial, all the paints were running the same, so we should have pretty easy time tilting this. But we just started doing tutorials every Thursday night. You can come in, ask questions, see what we're doing. We started doing them again because we have so many new people on our channel, and I get several emails a day about paint pouring. So what better way to explain than to show? They are free tutorials, no charge. We don't have a channel membership or anything like that. We just like to share our experiences with our viewers. Okay, so now I'm going to bring this up just a little bit to about there. I love that peridot and Naples yellow there. Played very well. Let me get my corners, make sure we're all covered. And if you're just starting out doing acrylic pouring, I always tell everybody to invest in a mirror. Just a little handheld one. Especially if you're working on big canvas, you can check the back to make sure your sides are covered. Okay. Just gonna wipe my hands off real quick and we're gonna give it a torch. Those are fun colors to play with. I think this one has more juice in it. Yes. Okay. So we did get quite a few cells coming up. And I will bring you down for a close-up. Okay, we've got some fun things going on here. That 24K played really well with the purple raspberry. Sorry about the glare, guys. I'm filming at night, which I don't normally do. So the lights are very strong. I like that little patch of color there. That is our interference blue. We will see more of that when this painting is dry. But we have some pretty cool stuff going on here. So overall, pretty groovy. this turned out really well. I'm very pleased with it. Some fun things in there to look at for sure. Got a few caterpillars. I don't mind them. They don't bother me. But I will show this dry on next Thursday's tutorial at 8 p.m. Eastern on my channel. Check out all my links below. If you're interested in Garage Posse paints, you can get those through Etsy, and that link is below as well. Join our group on Facebook, the Garage Posse with Christina Welch. Shop with me on Amazon for all your paint pouring supplies. There's so many links down below, and I'm sure you'll find something to check out. But thanks so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you all on the next one. Bye now.